Hey everyone, if you want to apply for jobs quickly using resume.com and don't know where to start, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use resume.com for job applications in 2026. First, sign into resume.com. This is where all your resumes and job tools are stored in one place. Next, create or update your resume. Make sure all your work experience, skills, and education are up to date. Choose a clean and professional template. This helps your resume look more attractive and easier for employers to read. Optimize your resume based on the job you are applying for. Use relevant skills and keywords from the job description, then download your resume as a PDF. Most job applications require resumes in PDF format for upload. Now use your resume to apply for jobs online. You can upload it to job portals, company websites, or email applications. Finally, keep track of your applications. This helps you stay organized and follow up with employers later. So yeah, that's how you use resume.com for job applications. Follow each step carefully and you can apply for jobs faster and more professionally. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for quick and easy guides.